What'd he say?
That was a really good one.
Jared, I'm taking a video.
Look at me and smile. Yeah, but we're going to wait for some of them.
Are these going to belong in the door?
Yeah.
They might go off.
Yeah, these aren't very... Oh, seems like some of the other ones really sparkle.
Yeah.
I guess so.
Yeah? Yeah, more.
We'll have to stop at the stands and get some.
Mommy, you have more.
Yeah, we have more.
The long ones are way more exciting.
In case these ones go off.
Yeah, but we're not going to do any more.
Well, I have some more right here.
Oh, Matt has some more.
Hold on. Kate, you can do another one too.
No, I know what you meant. I know what you meant. Stay here.
Hot on the edge.
Sissy, you record it.
No.
There's no point in taking a
Mommy,
video.
how
It's
come
dumb.
I'm not going to wait?
Hold on.
Go.
Lighting them.
Yay!
Me. Back up.
There's one more. What?
Well, don't light that one yet, Mom.
Why?
Because they're not using it yet.
Tell her when to use it.
Oh my God.
Get it on low, get it on low. Shake it up, shake it up. Look at it. Shake it up, shake it up. Go ahead, go ahead. It's shake it up, shake it up.
You're scared.
You said you want to shake it up. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up.
All right.
Take it.
All right. Why does my family want to ruin my night? They just can't stand it. I'm dying to watch the movie tonight.
What movie they do? Can you just... Nobody told me about it. I don't want to know.
I'm falling in style.
You're falling in style?
Yes. Look, guys, look.